Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can share your screen and react to them on Discord. So select a voice channel to get into. I'm just going to select this one, and to share your screen you're just going to select share your screen. You can select any screen that you want to share. I'm just going to select screens, or you can choose an application to share your screen. So if you get out of the application, it will pause the stream, so people won't be able to see your chats or something like that. So I'm just going to select screen for mine. You can adjust the stream quality. There's also the resolution here. This might not be available to you if you don't have Nitro, but I do, so I'm just going to select go live. And I'm just going to kind of select this bit right here, and to react to it, I'm just going to select this emoji, and I can select from these emojis or stickers from different servers if you have Nitro. If you select it like that, you are able to do it if you don't have Nitro, but if you want these other animations, you do have to have the Nitro one, unfortunately. But no, I feel like it's worth it. It's a fun feature. Once you're done, you're just going to stop streaming and disconnect from your channel, and that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!